Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 471. He had been waiting for her for over an hour when she finally showed up. What tense is had been waiting? A. Past continuous. B. Past perfect. C. Past perfect continuous. D. Present perfect continuous. Correct answer, past perfect continuous. Question number 472. By the time he turns 30, he will have been working for 10 years. What tense is will have been working? A. Future continuous. B. Future perfect. C. Future perfect continuous. D. Present perfect continuous. Correct answer, future perfect continuous. Question number 473. Which tense is used for general statements of fact or truth? A. Present continuous. B. Simple present. C. Simple past. D. Simple future. Correct answer, simple present. Question number 474. Which tense emphasizes the duration of an action that began in the past and is still ongoing? A. Present perfect. B. Present perfect continuous. C. Simple present. D. Past continuous. Correct answer, present perfect continuous. Question number 475. Which tense indicates a completed action in the past at an unspecified time? A. Simple past. B. Present perfect. C. Past perfect. D. Simple present. Correct answer, present perfect. Question number 476. Which tense is used to describe an action that will be completed before a specific point in the future? A. Simple future. B. Future continuous. C. Future perfect. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, future perfect. Question number 477. Which tense is used for an action that was in progress when another action happened in the past? A. Simple past. B. Past continuous. C. Past perfect. D. Present continuous. Correct answer, past continuous. Question number 478. Which tense is used for a decision made at the moment of speaking? A. Be going to future. B. Simple future, will. C. Present continuous. D. Simple present. Correct answer, simple future, will. Question number 479. Which tense is used to describe past events in chronological order in a narrative? A. Past continuous. B. Simple past. C. Past perfect. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, simple past. Question number 480. Which tense is used for actions that are currently in progress at the moment of speaking? A. Simple present. B. Present continuous. C. Simple past. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, present continuous. Like, share, comment and subscribe.